Alright, this is just a quick down and dirty video. Just installed sound in a couple of Kato in-scale FP7A locomotives. They both received ESU LokSound V5 micros. I'm just going to take one apart because they're both identical. Oh, an 11 by 15 sugar cube in there. The light board's been modified and tapped into there. And they have had the Kato 91815 sound file, which is basically just ESU's SO711 EMD 16567 BC sound file with a different horn selected, but the default horns are all there. So I'll slap this guy back together. We're going to put him on the track. Now that he's on there, grab my throttle, which in this case is just an ancient DT 400 throttle, and I'll hit the headlight. We'll hit startup sequence. Horn, bell, away we go. And there we go. Sound in the Kato FP7, the ESU LokSound. Have a great day.